So now I'm going to show you how you can create a recurring task with a subitem. So our app works with subitems as well. Let's go ahead and open a subitem. As you can see, it looks exactly the same. Just a side note, it's important to install the app again within a subitem, just so it's saved within a subitem. And then from then on, you will automatically see the app for all subitems. So it's just a one-time thing. So let's go ahead and open it. And for this example, I'm going to show you how you can actually set up an automatic schedule and what it looks like after you set it up. So let's go ahead and select a date, the 6th of March, repeats, once a month let's go ahead and select the second Tuesday. And then we're going to go and select custom, and I want my task to appear 1 day before the due date. And let's go ahead and select the never option in this case, because I don't know when it's going to end. It's an infinite task at the moment. So all you have to do is click save. Again, items will repeat every month on the second Tuesday with a never-ending schedule using our automatic scheduling. So let's go ahead and click save. So as you can see, it's showing me that the subitems have been scheduled. And here is actually the schedule, box where I can see all my settings. And then this is essentially, if I wanted to change or delete the task, this is where I would go as well. So really useful to have, different options, whether you want the task to appear immediately or on a schedule.